Hey, it's Mike from Finding Fish. Welcome to my walking tour. I'm here in Santa Maria and I'm at the Memories right now. I'm actually staying at the Memories Sanctuary, the adults only, but I'm going to be doing a walking tour of the Memories. That's the family resort. Now it is September, it is low season, and only right now half of the resort is open. So I'm just going to show you the half that is open, and hopefully I'm going to be able to go into the buffet, check that out, show you some food. And I believe they have a theater here. I'm gonna check that out, and then I'm gonna find the best asset they have. I think I know what it is. I think it's gonna be the beach. But anyway, stay with me, because I think today's gonna be amazing. I can hear it. Good morning, everyone. As we enter the Grand Memories, you're going to notice to the right, that's going to be the check-in area over there. And as you can see, this is a massive lobby area. In high season, it's probably going to be very busy. Anyway, you'll see the check-in and check-out area. I don't know what time check-in is, but check-out is at 12 o'clock. Now across from that, you're going to notice some more seating area. And on the way over, you're going to notice the archway. Through that archway is going to be the bathrooms. And right here in front of me is where you're going to meet your travel reps to book excursions and talk about details for going home. As we continue through the main lobby, you'll notice lots of seating. But like I said, this resort in high season will be very busy. Through this archway is going to be the main lobby bar. That's where you're going to get your cervezas, your coffees. It's open 24 hours. Any specialty drinks you'll want. Sit here on your Wi-Fi and enjoy the evening. Like I said, they'll have everything you'll need. And if you don't know what you'd want, just ask. The service will tell you what they have. Make you up a something special. Through this little walkway, if we turn to the right, on the left hand side you'll see a koi pond, but down this little stretch you'll make another right and a left, and that'll take you to the main buffet. And it also will take you to the main pool. I believe one of two main pools. Now to the right, you're gonna notice the kids' pools. Let's go check that out. This is a big resort, folks, if you're coming here. Now this is a kids-friendly resort. It's a family's. And it's sprawling, as you can see. Okay, so we've got the pools. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now. Obviously, there's no one in the pool. This looks like a wading pool for the little kids. Very shallow, maybe about a foot deep or less. Oh, let's go check this out. Okay. This must be a little bar up here. Obviously this is probably where you can come up and have a little drink, and they've got lights on here, so they must do something up here at nighttime. Anyway, back down these stairs. Looks like that's their main little pool bar. Looks like they probably serve some drinks here. They do have a lot of loungers here, which is nice, and this pool does look really clean. Then again, it is September, and there's probably not so many people here right now. Oh, they got a little sign here. It's not allowed to reserve sunbeds or umbrellas. Any personal belongings can be removed by staff. Now, I don't know if that's true, but I see a towel here already, but that's so people don't come down here, you know, 6 in the morning when you got 10 kids. Take up the whole place, I guess. Their palm trees and their foliage here look pretty nice. Now this looks like probably something for the little kids. Probably like a daycare center or an activity center to keep the little ones busy. And over, that looks like it's a change room area, and it could be bathrooms, which is nice. Also looks like this is where they serve food. Still heading left of the main lobby. I believe we should run into the main buffet. For a family resort, very quiet. Oh, and to the right, it's the theater area. This is the animation. Wow. This place is huge. Massive. I heard they have a Michael Jackson show here, but they have 2 bars as well. One on the right and one on the left flanking the stage, which is cool. And it looks like they have a bathroom at the back here. They do have bathrooms. That's the men's over there. So right is ladies, left is men's. Okay, right across from the theater area, looks like it's the main buffet. Let's go check it out. Now I believe they have a Spanish, an Italian, they probably have an international. I was in this buffet a couple of days ago. It's a massive buffet, to be honest with you. Let's go in and see if I'm allowed to film in here. Hey amigo, how are you?
Very good, yeah?
I'm good, thanks. Thanks for letting me in.
My pleasure.
Anyway, that's the main buffet. They also have, so I was told, in high season, right now it's low season, so they only have the international open, but I was told that they have a French, a Mexican, Italian, Spanish, and that was the main buffet. Anyway, let's go find the beach. So I was told that when you exit the main buffet, turn right, you go by the pools once again, and this is the way to the beach. The weather's absolutely beautiful. It's fantastic. Oh, I just got a glimpse of it. If this is the only pool for the size of this resort, there must be another pool somewhere, because the amount of people that could stay here, there's got to be a secondary pool. Oh, like I thought, this little blue building outside of the pool is a bathroom area and change rooms. I can hear it. I can hear it. Perfect. A little shower station right outside the beach, and this is something you don't typically see when I'm down here in Cuba, is bathrooms right on the beach, and that is absolutely incredible. And I think going forward with resorts, they have to do it. And the beach. Wow, this is their best asset, hands down. Beach bar opens 10 till 6, and I think food always opens around 11 till 4, kind of on the beaches in Cuba. That's what it looks like, folks, at 8:30 in the morning in September. Lots of palapas, sunshades, lots of loungers, because this is a very sprawling resort. There's some light seaweed. But as you can see, they're cleaning it up already. Thanks for watching. If you like it, like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and guess what? I'll see you in the next video.